Okay, this question says feature projection formula of D plus glucose is given as. So we have been given feature projection formula for D plus glucose, and that is something like this. So we have 4 chiral carbon, so here we have CH2OH, H, OH, H, OH, and then I have OH, H, H, OH, and CHO. So this is the first feature projection formula for D glucose, D plus glucose. Another question says, write down the feature projection formula of L minus glucose. So we have to write feature projection formula of L minus glucose, and that is easy one. So we have to write L minus glucose. So L minus glucose is basically enantiomer of D plus glucose, so we can always write so in this case we will have OH, H, and then you have CH2OH here, and then mirror image you have to take OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, and CHO. So this is the mirror image of D plus glucose, and the name of this is L minus glucose. So activity is optical rotation is in this case is positive, in this case is negative. Are you getting or not? So when you have HOH, H is left side, OH is right side, and CH2 is down side, this is named as D. So if you have D, so this group is D group. So this is the D. And now if you oppose it, that is OH is left side and H is right side, this is named as L. So this is named as L. Are you getting it? So this is L group, and this is assigned as D. And if the optical rotation for this total is plus, then optical rotation for this will be negative, because everything is has reverse, that is enantiomer. So these two are enantiomers. This is an easy question. And the next part says, write down the product after its reaction with tolerance reagent. Write down the feature projection of L glucose. So we have written, and we have to also write down the product if L glucose is treated with tolerance reagent. So if you remember tolerance reagent, what the tolerance reagent does, so OH, here I have, and then I have the same thing I am copying, OH, H, and then I will have H, last OH, H, and CH2OH. And if this compound is treated with tolerance reagent, what will be the product? If you remember, tolerance reagent is Ag plus NH3 whole twice, that is ammoniacal solution of silver. In case of tolerance reagents, it's an oxidizing agent, weak oxidizing agent. So this is a weak oxidizing agent. So in the case of tolerance reagent, aldehyde gets oxidized to acid, if you remember, and Ag plus makes Ag, that is a silver mirror image. So you will have COOH, because that gets oxidized, and all configuration remains same, because this is oxidation reduction reaction. OH, HOH, OH, H, and then you have OH, H, and here you have CH2OH. Are you getting notes? So this is reaction after L glucose. So this is a Ag also will have, and this test is called tolerance test, silver mirror test. So this because AG will form a silvery mirror on the surface of beaker. So you have the beaker is here, and now over the surface of beaker you will find there is a silver mirror image of AG. So this is a paste of AG. So silver mirror of AG. So if you do this reaction in a vessel and that beaker will contain silver mirror. And that's why this is also called tolerance test or silver mirror test. So tolerance test. So this is a general test of aldehyde. Tolerance tests are also called silver mirror test. So if question says a compound gives silver mirror test, this means this must be a aldehyde. We'll discuss the next problem.